Well, hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm going to give this whole flexi rod situation another try. But before I get into that, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. My first name is Fred. I do natural hair, lifestyle, and skincare type content. So that is the type of thing that you're into. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget it a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell and you won't miss anything else from me. Yes, the elephant in the room is my hair is straight, y'all. Like, listen, I've been meaning to do so much content and I just haven't. I tried to do a silk press for my birthday. My birthday was like last week, and the weather kind of got to me. You know, Fred is still looking pretty silky, but I just didn't want to put a lot of heat on him. So to blow dry and straighten him, y'all, I used that new Ardua Beauty shampoo and the leave-in. Y'all, that shampoo is everything. Okay, the leave-in, I'm still I think I love it just because like my hair still feels great, and that serum, y'all, like a week and my hair still looks this good. So I haven't done an entire video on all those products. I want to use them a few times before I do that, but definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna use the products over the next month before I do a full review, but so far, what I've used so far, great. I have videos on how I blow out my hair and how I've done a silk press, so those will be in the description box, and I'll stick a couple up in the cards. So yeah, if you are familiar with my channel, then you know I struggle with flexi rods, but I think I got it this time. Because my hair is straight, I don't want it to go to waste. I want to try a flexi rod set, so that is what we are going to do today. My hair feels really good, so I don't think I'm going to put a leave-in conditioner on it. I have my untie the knot here just in case, but I honestly think we'll be okay without it, don't y'all? Let me stop stalling. I do this every time I try to do flexi rods because I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I kind of know. I kind of have an idea, but I kind of don't. So we are just going to tuck this part of Fred away, and I am going to try the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. This is all that I'm going to use for this flexi rod set. Okay, so what I am going to do, because this says that it should be used on wet hair, and I don't really want my hair to be super wet. I don't want it to shrink. So I just have my For My Kinks 360 bottle, and it's just water in here, no aloe vera, and I have my brush, and we are going to try this. So I am going to try the windmill method this time. Y'all think I need a leave-in? I don't think I need a leave-in. So I'm just going to dampen my hair just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of this style serum. Listen, this is all experimentation right now. So if this turns out a flop, we're flopping together. Just gonna brush that through. Y'all think I put enough product on there? I feel like I need a little more. Just a little bit. I know you probably can't see that, but I just want to make sure it actually like holds. Y'all, my roots are like, ooh, baby. Okay, so before my hair starts to revert too much, I've been practicing. We are just going to roll this all the way to the tip and kind of wrap that, make sure it is good and secure. Oh, look at that. We're trying the windmill. We are trying the windmill. And look, I don't want my hair to be like too spread out, but we definitely want that space in between. And then once we get up to the root, I'm just going to like wrap it to my root, secure that bad boy down. Oh, that feels good and secure. And then like do a little pretzel and wrap that up. Y'all, that looks good. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but y'all, that looks pretty darn tootin' good. If y'all saw the last time I tried to do a flexi rod set, when I did that good old horseshoe method, y'all saw how that ended up. So this is my second attempt of 2021 to do a flexi rod set. And so yeah, let's just see what's going on here. All right, so I did that first one without struggling. Did y'all see that? I looked like a whole entire pro. So let's see if I can do it again on this side. Just trying to secure the end. And then we're going to windmill. Oh, Jesus. How do I do this? Like, this is where I get like mad confused. Oh no, I feel like something, okay, that wasn't right. Y'all, why did the first one happen so easily and now I'm struggling? All right, let's put this right here. Securing the ends. Oh, let's see if that way. All right, I think we made some progress on that one. Y'all, these roots are going to be ugly. I can feel it, but okay, it's good and secure though. Do my little pretzel. How that look? I don't wanna bore you with this. And I'm gonna try and get through the rest of my head successfully. And I'm probably gonna sit under my dryer for at least an hour and let this dry all day. I have some things that I need to do around the house, and I don't know, we'll come back tonight or tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning, and see how this flexi rod turns out. Okay. Y'all, I am obsessed. This is my very first successful flexi rod set, and I'm so glad that I can share this experience with you guys. Like, my hair looks so good. I've never seen my natural hair. I've never seen my hair successfully in flexi rod sets. Like, I never did these kind of styles before I went natural. So to be able to do this now, I can just give myself a pat on the back. Now y'all, I honestly feel like baby Kiana, that was her name, right? Remember Kenya, the baby doll, her little sister Kiana? that's exactly who I feel like right now. The style looks great. What doesn't look great are these flakes. I don't know if y'all can see them, but y'all, I guess I overdid it with the reflex serum. Maybe my hair just wasn't wet enough. Maybe I should do it on soaking wet hair, but I really do. I love the hold that it gave my hair. I would love to say that I would use it again, but the flakes are kind of ruining the effect of this amazing flexi rod set that I'm giving y'all. I don't know what the back looks like, but I will give you a 360 look. I'm just proud of myself for this successful flexi rod set. That is all that I have for you guys today. Definitely expect more stretch styles and flexi rod sets on my hair because I'm obsessed. And like, I've gotten kind of bored with my hair, so this will definitely be fun to add to my repertoire. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, y'all. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so go ahead and subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.